Start the recording. Also, along with the Union, I was going to demonstrate the Nutone Proline IIs. So let's start them on low, all the way around. Okay.
These make noise.
See, this is what I'm talking about. That's because it's on a solid state variable speed, and those controls are known to do that to some. If you can just...
Spencer, is this box any just...
It's garbage.
Yeah.
Just throw it in the back of my dad's truck.
Probably go up a little on there.
It's his anyway.
This is what it's one of my tests I do is called the solid state to test how noisy a fan or how quiet it is. The one in the church is impressively quiet on that same control.
If I'm having a meeting in here, that drives me crazy.
Yeah, well that's because if you have more than one fan, you got to use a solid state because they're rated for higher amps.
Pastor, can I steal you for a minute?
Sure, you can steal. I'm going to continue. Yeah, these are definitely noisy when you start turning them up. Definitely beyond living room quiet. See, this is what I test for to see if I can use it in the bedroom or not. And my blender fan is remarkably quiet with that same control. That me and Dan call bedroom quiet.
So are you almost done?
Yes. Oh yeah, this doesn't take long, don't worry. I'm gonna go up a little. Go up to a medium. Medium low. Let's see. Well, once you start speeding them up to like medium to, they quiet down, but on low, they're just noisy. Okay, I guess that's all the way up already. I'm starting to question if this might have should go a little faster than this. I'm feeling some air, but I gotta test mine out because this one's going a bit faster. Yeah, these definitely, I wonder if these have failing capacitors going on. It's possible, but that's something to look into. I think they might. All right, well, I guess turn on the lights here. I'll do spin down with these and see which one is gonna spin down first. I guess that one's going slower. If these were actually wired down to an individual controls, like say one control for each of them, you could use these with a 3-speed and then they'd be much quieter. I've tried a 4-speed and I know that 4-speed doesn't work with these. Let's have a long spin down, so good bearings. Steel on steel too, that's another thing to consider. Let's see, this kind of take forever to spin down. I'm gonna tell me that. All right. Yeah, they're not. The old, yeah, unfortunately these Proline IIs, very Dayton-like. Not as good as the first generation Prolines. Either the 48 with the 4-blade or 56 3 curved blades. I know what the Okay, I guess I was wrong. That one's gonna stop first. That one's already ahead. All right, that one's about to stop. Okay, that one's, and this one's actually the slower one, surprisingly, last to spin down. That's okay, so that one stopped, and then this is going to be the last to stop. Still good bearings, but
Grab your shoes. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go put your shoes up and then we'll finish.
okay.
Yeah, I know. It's rough. It's been rough. Okay, there you go.
Oh, oh, hey. Yeah. Oh, hey. Hey. Okay. Guess this one's about to finally stop. All right. I'm more interested in the industrials, but of course we got the Hampton Bay Quick Disconnects is what I believe these are. I don't know if there's a switch for these. Maybe I can look, see if I can, see if these fans got a switch to them or if they're just on a pull chain. It's an entrance. Yeah. All right, well, I guess that's all for the fans of this church here that I was playing at. So, see you in fans hallway. Oh, never mind. I guess they're just on a on-off switch. I already did spin down twice, so I guess that's all I have now for this fan video. So keep watching and subscribing.